Hey guys, this is Andy from Tech Store, your tech guide, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to basically rip apart the ASUS X510. Now if your laptop is something that looks like this on the top panel, and once you open up, this is the way the keyboard looks on the inside, and if your base is something like this, it might be a different color actually, it might be a gold or a grey or a silver. Irrespective, it is a ASUS X510 with a Core i3 7th generation or Core i5 8th generation or Core i7 8th generation. This process will apply. After watching this video, you will be able to upgrade the RAM to up to 32GB, 16GB into 2, remove the existing hard drive and put an SSD, with a SATA SSD, or you can also put a M.2 SSD. Apart from this, you can also replace the battery of your laptop, you can remove the motherboard of your laptop. So all in all, you need to watch this video before you make a buying decision on the ASUS X510. So let's see what's in store. Now to start things up, you need to have a screwdriver set, you need to have a prior, rectangular, triangular prior actually, and if possible you can get a box like this. You can keep the screws of different sizes and different compartments. So we need to flip the laptop here first, and we need to remove all the visible screws. Remember, all the screws are of different sizes, so you have to be very careful when you are removing it. Alright, so let us first remove the base screws over here. As you can see, this screw is small, this screw is long, this screw is also long, and this screw is again very small. So need to keep such that you can recollect. It's again a long screw. Both these screws are of the same size. Center screw is again long. This is longer than most of the screws, so you need to keep it in the another compartment box. Coming to the hinge screw is normal, it's not all that long, so keep it on one side. So remember, these two, 1, 2, 3, total 5 screws are basically of the long length. This one screw is of a larger length. These two screws are of longer length. This corner 2 screws are of smaller length. Now once you have removed it, you need to remove the screws behind the rudders which are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where it gets a little clever by ASUS. Only 2 of these have to be removed actually, these 2 rudders. Just take a tweezer like this and just remove very carefully. Once you remove the rudder, you will see the screw over here, and similarly you need to remove from even this side. The glue is very hard, so it will take a little effort, extra effort to be precise for you to remove it, so don't worry about that. Once you have removed, you need to remove these 2 green hinge screws, and the screws will give away. Keep these 2 screws separately. Now this entire base will come off, so you need to use a prier like this and start prying from one of the ends. Very carefully, keep prying. Pry over here, over here, so that it gives away. It will be a little difficult to remove, but it's not all that difficult. So once you remove it, here you have the battery over here, the huge battery that ASUS has integrated in this, the hard drive, this is the RAM memory area, 2 DIMM slots, and you have the M.2 SSD slot. Now where is it? Where is the M.2 SSD slot, you might be wondering. This is the M.2 SSD slot, and basically everything is in front of you here. So if you want to replace the RAM, you just need to remove the existing RAM, or maybe if you want to add, you can add to this particular slot also. Now let's just check what exactly is the memory specifications. The memory specifications for a Core i3 variant is 2400 MHz, and for a Core i5 and Core i7 it is a 2666 MHz. Let's take a similar memory, and DDR4 low voltage memory, and just insert it like this and just press it on the top. Okay, now coming to the hard drive, the hard drive is very much easily available. You need to remove this one screw over here, another screw over here. I need to remove this small little cover that ASUS has kept, and I need to remove these two more screws here, and you need to just remove the hard disk like this. Once you remove it, the hard drive is in front of you. This is the frame which is holding the hard drive, so you just need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 more screws over here and replace your hard drive basically. So I just again keep it back inside. Now if you want to replace the battery that it is, the battery is huge 42 watt-hour battery. It's giving around 6 to 7 hours backup to people who are using it. So if you want to remove the battery, replace the battery in the future, you need to remove the connector first. Now if you want to replace the Wi-Fi chip, you can just remove this one screw over here, and you can replace it with another chip if your Wi-Fi chip has gone bad. Now let us put this back over here where it belongs. Alright, so the fan is over here, the processor heatsink is here, the motherboard is very much visible, around 3 or 4 screws, and you're through with the motherboard. This is the USB bay area, which is the memory card as well as the IO indicators. So pretty much it. This is the speaker, the 2 speakers. You need to remove the entire battery and fit it back. For removing the battery, 1, 2 and 3 screws have to be removed for you to actually replace the battery. The battery is a 42 watt-hour battery, and the model is, I'll get it up close for you, B31N1637 battery. So get a similar battery and you can replace it. So now let's reassemble the entire thing. So here it is, laptop is up and ready. So in this video, friends, we've shown you how to basically replace the RAM, put a M.2 SSD, replace the hard drive, as well as we've shown you where the battery is, the Wi-Fi chip, how to replace the two, and basically know about the ASUS X510 before buying it. So if you like this video, please do let us know your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Thank you so much.